How to log out OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dots icon. Simply tap on this dot icon. Here on the top, you'll be able to see your name. Simply tap on your name. So here in your settings interface. So this is the settings interface where there are a lot of options available. Now on this profile section, if you scroll down, here you'll be able to see the option called logout. So simply tap on logout. Now make sure that you have all your ID and password saved with you because you need to log in and that will be needed. Now simply tap on logout and you're done. So you have been logged out. Now in order to log in, tap on this login button again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.